everyone, welcome back to the Lingo Listen. I'm Emma, and we're excited to practice some real-life English together today.
Hey everyone, I'm Sam, and today we are talking about something very normal, but honestly, not very fun.
Going to the pharmacy.
Oh wow, that means somebody probably feels sick already.
Very true.
And somehow, everything feels more stressful when you do not feel well.
Very, very true.
Especially if somebody starts asking questions in English.
Oh, yes. Suddenly, simple questions feel difficult.
Like, what symptoms do you have?
Serious words already.
Very serious.
Today, we are talking about going to the pharmacy in English.
Real English for real life.
Because sometimes learning English is not only about grammar. Sometimes you just want medicine without confusion.
Very important goal.
Very important.
Before we begin, if you enjoy learning English through natural conversations,
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the Lingo Listen.
okay, Emma, let's imagine something. You wake up one morning and immediately something feels wrong.
Maybe headache?
Maybe sore throat,
Maybe cough.
maybe tired.
Or maybe everything feels terrible.
Oh no, very bad morning.
Then maybe you think, okay, I need medicine.
Big pharmacy moment.
Maybe first, small hope. Maybe I'll feel better later.
Honest answer, people always say that.
Very true.
Then suddenly, hours later,
Still sick.
very annoying feeling. Then maybe you go to the pharmacy.
Quiet place.
Lots of medicine.
And somehow, everything looks confusing.
Very confusing.
Especially medicine names.
Why do medicine names sound impossible?
Honestly, good question.
Emma, question time.
Okay?
Most stressful pharmacy moment.
Easy. Choosing medicine.
Really?
Yes, because suddenly, everything says something different.
Oh wow, that feels too real.
One medicine says cold,
One says flu,
one says allergy.
suddenly confusion.
Very big confusion.
Then maybe someone asks, can I help you?
Big moment. Useful sentence, everyone. I'm not feeling well.
Very useful real-life English. Repeat after us. I'm not feeling well.
Nice and simple.
Or maybe, do you have something for a headache?
Useful sentence, everyone. Do you have something for a headache?
Repeat after us. Do you have something for a headache?
Very useful pharmacy English.
Then maybe someone asks, what symptoms do you have?
Serious question again.
But simple English works.
Maybe say, I have a headache.
Or, I have a sore throat.
Or maybe, I have a cough.
Nice beginner English. Emma, be honest. Have you ever bought the wrong medicine?
Wait, why are we talking about my secrets now? Fair question.
One time, I thought I bought medicine for a headache.
Okay, sounds normal.
Then suddenly, I realized, wrong medicine.
Oh no, what happened?
Honestly, I still do not know.
That feels very real.
Wrong and confident again.
Apparently, that is your personality.
Fair answer.
Then maybe somebody says, do you have a prescription?
Oh wow, big word.
Very big word.
Useful sentence, everyone. Do I need a prescription?
Repeat after us. Do I need a prescription?
Very useful English.
Then maybe somebody explains how to take medicine.
Serious listening moment.
Very serious.
Maybe they say, take this twice a day.
Honest question. Do medicine instructions ever feel confusing?
Oh yes, especially when somebody talks too fast.
Very true.
Then maybe there's a simple way to ask.
Yes. Medicine instructions can feel confusing.
Very confusing, especially when somebody speaks very fast.
Very, very fast.
Suddenly, you understand nothing,
Oh no, that feels stressful.
especially when you already feel sick.
Very true.
Then maybe ask politely, "Can you explain that again?"
Useful sentence, everyone. Can you explain that again?
Repeat after us. "Can you explain that again?"
Or maybe, how often should I take this?
Very useful pharmacy English.
Repeat after us. How often should I take this?
Nice simple English.
Emma, question time.
Okay,
Most awkward pharmacy moment.
easy. Forgetting why I came.
Wait, really?
Yes, somehow I walk inside, look around, then suddenly my brain forgets everything.
That feels too real.
Then somebody says, "Can I help you?"
And suddenly, panic.
Small panic.
Medium panic?
Maybe medium panic.
Fair answer.
Honest question. Have you ever forgotten doctor advice?
Sadly, yes.
Oh wow, what happened?
One time, the doctor explained everything very clearly.
Okay, sounds good so far.
Then suddenly, I got home and realized I remembered nothing.
Oh no, that feels stressful.
Very stressful.
Wrong and confident again?
Apparently, yes.
Very consistent personality.
Thank you, I think.
Then maybe somebody gives medicine.
Big success.
Best feeling ever.
Especially when you finally think, okay, maybe I'll feel better soon.
Hopefully.
Hopefully.
Then maybe someone says, "I hope you feel better."
Very kind sentence.
Useful sentence, everyone. I hope you feel better.
Repeat after us. I hope you feel better.
Nice natural English.
Then maybe you finally go home.
Blanket time.
Tea time.
Medicine time.
Sleep time, hopefully.
Hopefully.
Emma, question.
Okay.
Worst thing about being sick?
Easy. Feeling tired all day.
Really?
Yes, because somehow even small things feel difficult.
Very true.
What about you?
Easy. Taking bad tasting medicine.
Oh wow, that feels personal.
Very personal.
But honestly, going to the pharmacy in English can feel stressful.
Especially when you feel sick.
Or tired.
Or confused by medicine words.
But simple English helps.
Very true. You do not need perfect English.
Short sentences work.
Like, I'm not feeling well.
Do you have something for a headache?
How often should I take this?
Do I need a prescription?
Can you explain that again?
I hope you feel better.
Real English, real life.
Confidence grows slowly.
One conversation at a time.
One small sentence at a time.
Even confusing moments help.
Emma question.
Okay.
Best pharmacy advice.
Easy. Ask questions. Read instructions carefully and drink lots of water.
Very realistic advice.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for spending time with us today, everyone.
We hope this conversation helped your English feel easier and more natural.
And maybe made going to the pharmacy in English feel less stressful.
If you enjoyed learning with us,
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the Lingo Listen.
we will see you again soon.
Bye, everyone.